Okay, let's dive in. We've got this fascinating material looking at, well, the ultimate journey, right? Crossing the void between stars.
Hmm.
You wanted to know if it's just, Hollywood stuff or
Yeah.
actually possible.
Yeah, and what jumps out immediately is that, well, maybe it is possible, but the sources, they really slam home the biggest hurdle. It's not ideas we lack, it's the brutal fact of distance and the time that distance means.
Oh, absolutely. The scale is just, it's hard to grasp. Proxima
Yeah.
Centauri, right?
Yeah.
Our closest neighbor star.
Just over 4 light years away, yeah. Which sounds manageable until you do the math with current tech.
Like Voyager 1,
Huh.
our fastest probe out there.
Exactly. If you sent Voyager towards Proxima Centauri, you're looking at 70,000 years, give or take.
70,000. I mean, that's
Yeah.
longer than recorded history. Much longer.
It's staggering, and it means we don't just need a bit faster, we need a total game changer for space travel. So yeah, the first big area everyone's looking at, propulsion, getting speeds way, way up, closer to light speed.
All right, got to beat the clock somehow.
Yeah.
So the research points to, what, 3 main paths here. Let's start with fusion drives.
Fusion drives, yeah. These are kind of the next logical step up in power. Basically, you're mimicking the sun, little controlled fusion explosion,
Generating huge thrust, I imagine.
massive sustained thrust. The sources kind of position this as the, let's say, more achievable high power option. Still needs a ton of fuel, though.
Okay, but if we're talking peak theoretical power, that's antimatter propulsion, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Conceptually, it's unbeatable. You take matter, you take antimatter, they touch.
And bang, 100% energy conversion
Yeah.
equals MC squared, doing its thing fully.
Precisely. And that raw power could, theoretically, push a ship to maybe 40, even 50% of the speed of light.
But there's always a catch.
Yeah.
Right, what's the hang up here?
A huge hang-up, the engineering. Making antimatter, it takes unbelievable amounts of energy. Storing it safely, that's another nightmare. So the physics is beautiful, yeah, but the practical side, well, it's currently stopping it dead in its tracks.
Right, so if carrying your own superfuel is that hard, what about not carrying fuel? The laser sail idea.
Now, this one really changes the equation. You have a very light spacecraft, basically a giant, thin sail.
You push it from afar with massive lasers based maybe on Earth or in orbit.
Exactly. You ditch the huge mass of fuel and propellant. That's the key. It means, potentially, the fastest trip times if we can build, kilometer-wide laser arrays, which is another huge if.
Okay, so even with sails, we're still talking years to Proxima Centauri, maybe decades. So if we can't get there super, super fast, how do we handle the time? The deep dive shifted there, right, to time hacks.
Yeah, exactly. If the journey takes a lifetime or more, how do humans survive it? First idea, and it's a big one, generation ships.